Can you find the answer for 32 power 0.6? Here I can explain in this video how to solve this easily. Step 1. Convert 0.6 decimal to fraction. We get 6 by 10, and when simplified you get 3 by 5. Step 2. Now apply the decimal value 0.6 to 3 by 5. Using law of exponent we get 32 power 1 by 5 whole power 3. That is 5th root of 32 whole power 3. Step 3. Now factorize this element. You get 5th root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 3. You can write it as 2 power 3. The value of 2 power 3 is 8. Yes, you are done. The answer is 8. If you like our video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.